And we are underway from their round of 16 victory. Wide it comes to Harry Kane, and that was closed down. But instead, Tchouaméni wants it. Tchouaméni scores! Second half underway. It is Owen flying in. Advantage going to be played. It looks like Foden gets the cross in for Kane. It's stabbed in behind. Yellow cards here this time. Lloris tracking, gets lost, knocked down by Maguire. It goes down. Penalty for England.
And it's Tchouaméni who takes him.
Kane scores. Griezmann once more. Hooks it in. Giroud scores! France 3-10.